video, I will show you how to back up on WhatsApp Business. How to back up your messages on WhatsApp Business. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open your WhatsApp Business first like this. Directly go to Tools and click on the three dot in the top of the screen. After that, open your settings. Here, you should go and click on Chats. Right now, guys, on Chats, what you have to do, you have to go and click on Chat Backup. So while you click on it, it's going to take you to this list or this page. You have to choose one of your Google account and select, for example, someone, for example, this, and it's going to authenticate. And right now, as you see, I linked my email with my WhatsApp Business. I will just click on Backup, and as you can see, it's backing up messages. And that's all, guys, in this video. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you in another video.